Hi everyone, need help getting those creative juices flowing? Today, let's explore how the Claude AI can help you in brainstorming and creative thinking. Let's get started. First, go to Claude AI and sign in using your Anthropic account. If you don't have one yet, it's free and easy to sign up. Then choose a creative mode. It's optional but it's helpful. Claude naturally excels at creative thinking, but you can guide it by saying something like, let's enter the brainstorming mode or act like a creative collaborator. This sets the tone. Then we can start with a clear prompt. Use an open ended prompts to get the best result. For example, give me a 10 unique business name ideas for a coffee shop or whatever topic or prompts you want. Then you can refine and expand. If you like an idea, you can actually ask the Claude to expand on it. You can try, tell me more about the idea or what are some catchy slogans for that, and it helps you go from idea to the concept then to the plan. Then you can mix and match the ideas. The Claude is great at combining ideas. Ask it to merge two concepts or explore alternatives with combining ideas to two or and four into one, or give me three variations for that idea. Then you can also use the Claude as collaborative partner. It think that the Claude like your creative teammate. Don't hesitate to challenge it. It will keep up. You can prompt that, make it more bold and more. Whether you're writing stories, launching a product, or just stuck in a creative rut, Claude AI can help you ideate the faster and smarter. Try this different prompt and watch your ideas take off. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.